Hello kids, beautiful color. Kids, welcome to my video. Kids, first shapes name and second colors name. First sun, heart, circle, square, star, triangle. Kids, this is a beautiful color. First colors name: light pink color, yellow color, black color, blue color, red color, pink color, orange color, green color, sky blue color and purple color. Kids, shapes drawing. Shapes drawing kids, green color, sun. Kids, sun. This shape's name sun. This shape's name kids sun. Heart. This shape name kids heart. And this shape name kids circle. And this shape name kid is square. Kids, it's square. This shape's name kids star. Star. And this shape's name kids triangle. Color wheel kids. First color name light green color, sun. This color's name kids light pink color, heart. Kids heart. This color's name kids yellow color, circle. This color name kids sky blue color, sky blue color, square. And this shape's name star. Red color. And last color's name brown color, triangle. Shapes name repeat: sun, heart, circle, square, star, triangle. Kids, like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.